Yeah, so this is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft 2016. I'm gonna be taking you through the Microsoft Excel 2016. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the file. So the file, what does the file entails? We have file that has the info. So this is the info that has to protect, workbook, inspect. So we have the name, we have the open, save as Adobe PDF, print, share. So let me just quickly take you through what all this means. So the new, let's go to new. So the new has a new blank book here. So in Microsoft Excel you use workbook, but in Microsoft Word you use document. So when you said create a new workbook, so when you click on it, so this is our new workbook. Yeah, that is what's new. New means creating a new workbook, a new sheet, a new workbook that has sheets. Yeah. So open. So let me quickly explain the save. So save is to keep a document for future purpose. So when you click on save, so it's gonna ask you where do you want to save it. So just browse it, browse your location, like because browse the location you want to save your workbook. Yeah. So let's go to my desktop. Let's try to save my workbook there. Desktop. So let's say Toby. Yeah. Save. So save. So now I've saved, and with the help of save, you can like assign a name to a document. So now, before it was workbook one, but now I've changed it. I've assigned a name to it, which is Toby. So that's the need for save. Open. So the reason why I said I need to explain save was because it is what you save in the computer you can open. So open. So let me try to open. So in recent you can find Toby, but provided you haven't done the work, like we've done the work for some weeks, so you can't find it in recent. So you have to browse it. So let me browse for Toby. So this is my browse. So when I browse it, now where's the location? So if I look for a location here, desktop, what's the name? I remember I saved it as Toby. Then you just look for Toby. Yeah, so that's Toby. Then it said open. Yeah, so it has opened because I saved it on my PC. But if I didn't save it, I can't open. So we have the next one is savers. So let me quickly explain the savers. For savers, like creating a duplicate of something, but let me quickly give something. Let me write some, like, let me put a content here. Let me say name, phone number, sex, yeah. So we said name, this is Samuel, 09018719264. Let's put a random number. We have made, we have Toby, we have 08167. Yeah, let's say female. So let's say Bebex. We have number. We have 90187. Let's give the random number. We said male. So maybe let's say for example you've created like a whole a whole a whole sheet like this that has multiple names, that has a lot of names. Like now you want this kind of format. So if you want a duplicate of the document, how do you go about it? You just come to file, then it says save as, and said browse. So you have to browse also for where you want to save it as. So save as is like creating a duplicate of a particular document. So there you can also save it in desktop. Then it said to be two, yeah, because I'm saving in the same location. Let's say save. So I've created a duplicate of Toby. Now I have Toby 2. Both has same content, but now probably you want to add more to Toby 2. Then now you can begin to add more to Toby 2. Let's say your mean, it has number. I said there's a mail, yes, like that. So and let's go to file was the last thing. Save as Adobe PDF. So this is maybe you want to um the entire workbook, you want to convert it to PDF. Yeah, so PDF means portable document file, I suppose. Yeah, so that's it. So print. Now I'm not printing it, so I'm not gonna go for that. And this here we have export close. We're not going to be like, but the main things we're gonna be talking about gonna be going with is the new open save as. Yeah. So thank you for listening. So I'll see you in the next chapter of Microsoft Excel. Thank you. I do appreciate.